I've got a set of single hung windows. I believe they're Jeld-Wen, and the top sash is stationary, and I got a big old crack in this one. So I'll show how to remove that. So what we want to achieve is to break the silicone bead all the way around the window. You don't have to disturb the bottom sash in the beginning. You put your putty knife in there and start breaking that seal. And make sure you get all the way back. You can hear it hit. That was too easy. Oh, there's some silicone right there. That's too easy. Now you cannot get a carpenter's knife in there unless you had a real long one. That's too easy. I wonder if this glass has been replaced before. Or it's a factory defect. That seal is pretty much broke. Just a little bit of resistance. All right, that window is ready to be removed. We'll head to the outside. I'll take this strip off first because it overlaps the bottom, and you just get in, peel outward, pull right out. Very simple. Just get in between there, lift up, pulls right out. Very easy. Putty knife in the crack, peel down, pull out. It's too easy. So I'm going to do this one freehand. So I like to point out they got spacers all the way around. You want to keep them. Oh, I just noticed they got a little stickiness on the back, so they should stay in place when I remove the window. Now the window is ready to be removed. Should push right out. That was too easy. Now I'll take it to my local glass company or Home Depot and order an exact replacement. Since I have dual windows, I'm just going to order a window to match. However, let's say you have a single window and you wanted to dress it up. When ordering your window, you can get window grids installed, sandwiched in between the glass. Here's the replacement pane from my local glass company. Nicely packaged. Ready to install. Right here, labeled low E side. What that simply means, if you're in the southern climate and you want to keep the heat from coming in your home, you face this outward towards the sun. And if you're in the northern climate, you face it inward to trap the heat within the home. So I notice we have two spacers on the bottom and two on the side. So that will automatically space the side and top. So the first thing we want to do is clean off all the old sealant. Silicone all the way around. So we want a thin layer of sealant all around here for two reasons. First, so it doesn't ooze out and get on the glass. Using 100% silicone, window and door, 30-year, mold resistant. Now I'm staying near the top so it don't ooze out onto the glass. And this is the seal. You don't have to worry about this area where the spacers are. You want that to be open so the water can drain out. Just the back seal. Install the window. Rest it on the spacers. Right in. Low E inward. I'm in northern climate. Ready for the first piece of trim. Gently hold it the whole time. I had a little trouble with the top, so I'm going to start at the bottom. And you don't want to have it outward. You want to lay it flat. And that's why you want the silicone thin, so the window is inward as much as possible. And you just push down. There, snapped in. I need to move it over. There we go. And just snap it. Make sure this is not moving. There we go. That one's in. We'll do the top. We try a side piece. Overlapping the 45. All right, I see what's going on. There it goes. It snaps right in. Believe what's happening. You got to get this ridge lined up with the notch, and then it will snap in. Like that. Wow. Now it went in real easy. One more to go. Just get it started on one end, snapped in, and then the rest just snaps right in. All right. That wasn't too bad. Now it's sealed, held in place. We're back inside, and I got a little bit of silicone oozing. A towel on a putty knife. Clean up the excess. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and if you'd like to watch other window related videos, I'll provide a link right here, over there,